a moment, we'd like to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737-700. Fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. To release, lift up on the buckles. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and wear it anytime you're seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, 2 overwing window exits, 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead, lights on the floor lead to those exits. A safety information card is located in the seat back pocket in front of you. In the event of a water evacuation, use a life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. We're coming by to check that your seatbelts are fastened, your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright and locked position, and your carry-on items are completely underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. And if needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, plastic bags may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, put on your mask first. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your 47-minute flight into El Paso. Welcome aboard Southwest Airlines. those overhead lights. If you need any extra reading light, go ahead and press the button with the light bulb on it.